Hey guys, Patricia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Another day, another beauty talk. Another day, another unboxing. Yes guys, unboxing with me in this video. These are my Christmas gifts. I've got my Christmas gift so early, but I am late to unbox them. Because last Christmas, I've got flu, guys. My God, I was down for 2 weeks, but I'm okay now. And yeah, so anyway, guys, without further hanash, let's get this unboxing started. So we have 3 boxes, guys, to unbox. Yes, guys. My sweet husband. Complete gift. So yeah. Second box, and we have the biggest box, you guys. I am so excited, OMG. I know what are these, guys, because I picked them. Yeah, these aren't surprise because, you know, to make life easier, you should tell na lang your husband what do you want for Christmas or for birthday. Let's start with the smallest box. This is the smallest box, you guys. You see, my ribbon is not the Christmas ribbon. Because I got this early, guys. You know, kasi ayoko yung Christmas rush shopping. Ayoko yun eh. So anyway, without further hanash, let's get this unboxing started. So let's start with this smallest box. Yeah, this is the smallest kasi we have small, medium, and large. Let's start with this small. I'm getting so excited na. So, ayan, meron na naman akong ikikip na boxes. Ang dami-dami ko ng box, guys. OMG. Uy, by the way, wait lang. Yung iba ayaw nang nagtatapping. Ano yung nagaganyan? Okay, guys. Comment down below, guys. If ayaw nyo na yun, then I won't do it na. But sometimes kasi parang naging ugali ko na yun. If I do it, sorry. First. So, here is the first one I've got. No more further hanash-hanash. Let us make this quick na. So, I've got the classic flap card holder or card case. Guys, and it says made in France. Yung nakalagay dito sa ilalim. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Yung loob, if you don't know. This is the classic flap card case or card holder. Ayan. I'm so kilig. So cute. Kasi alam nyo guys, my wallet is Chanel. Then, for the longest time. But it is in the big size. Eh ngayon, di ba, uso yung small bag. So, I needed something smaller para magkasya sa small bag. So, ito yun guys. I've got wallet. Sinabi na agad. So, anyway, yeah. Let us unbox this. Excited ako, guys. Parang nanunuyot ang lalamunan ko. So, yeah. Anyway, if you are new here, I am here in Japan, by the way, and I am bilingual. I speak English, Tagalog, and Japanese. My everyday language is Japanese because I am here in Japan. So, this is the second one. This is a very, very cute wallet. Ay! OMG, diba? this is a card holder. Pero you can also use this like a, parang ito na rin yung wallet. But I needed something cute when I saw this. Love at first sight. Uso na kasi ngayon yung cashless, di ba? Kaya, small wallet is okay. So, yan sila. O, di ba? Liit na ng wallet ko. Saya! Let us move on to the last box that I've got, guys. This one is special. Alam nyo na yun. Ang hirap pala mag-unbox mag-isa. Dapat merong akong videographer. Ano? So, anyway, sariling sikap. All by myself. Charot. Tapos, hindi pala naka-record. Ay, wait. Okay, recording. So, here is the last. Ayan, nagtatapping na naman ako. May magagalit na naman. I'm sorry. Anyway, this is what I've got, you guys. Nai-excite ako, guys, now that I am unboxing, although I know what is this. Pero nakaka-excite na pag the moment of truth. So there, I got the, comes with a dust. So yan, pag mag-travel, dyan ilagay. And eto na. So yes, guys, I've got a new Chanel bag, vintage type, small flap. So here's what inside. Mga papel. So ayan siya, guys. Yan ang aking new Chanel bag. May packet din pala dito sa likod. Ayan, ang cute. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this unboxing my Christmas gifts. So yeah, more unboxing to come, guys. Hopefully. More shopping. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next one. Stay beautiful, stay kind. Bye.